Good morning, everyone. It's Michael Ogechi Abbey with Enterprise Express Tax Service. I'm the owner of Enterprise Express Tax. Thought I would do a short video just commenting on some of the updates that I think are relevant to the tax industry. Um, Beginning well when the COVID-19 pandemic started, the government decided that it would be best to extend the deadline, which was usually be April 15th. That deadline was extended till July 15th. All right, and that's coming up. We're now on July 1st. So in another, I guess, 14, 15 days, the new tax deadline will be here. We do not have any indication so far that there will be an extension. Now, having said that, there's been a lot happening this period. So I can't say for sure if the government's going to extend the deadline or not. It's possible that they will, but I'm asking each one of my clients, current and future clients, to prepare as if there will be no extension. All right, so that's one thing. Second thing is the PPP. It's called the Paycheck Protection Program. That program was supposed to expire on the 30th of June, which was yesterday. But it was extended till August the 8th. So the last hours, just yesterday actually, it was extended till August the 8th. So that's another thing that, there's a lot going on these days. Again, the tax deadline could be extended from July 15th. We don't know. But, just like with the PPP program, I told people, I said, just go ahead and apply. Same thing with the regular tax extension. Just make sure that you prepare as if there will be no extension, so you're not caught flat-footed. The other thing that I also wanted to comment on is the EIDL. That program is run by the SBA, and it is an economic disaster recovery program in which the SBA gives out much needed funds to small businesses, and they expanded that to also include independent contractors as well. Uh, so that's a very very good program. The SBA has gotten better in the last couple of weeks in terms of processing the applications. Um, there is a feature there that's I think is very useful, and that is that if you are a business and you have employees that you need to keep getting paid, the SBA will give you a grant, an advance of up to $10,000 per employee. All right. So let's say you have a company and you have four employees, which includes yourself, and you apply for the program. If you get approved, the SBA will give you a grant, a forgivable grant of up to $10,000 per employee. So that's important to note. The loan itself is not forgivable. It does have an interest rate of I think it's 3.3%, 3.375, something like that. A pretty good rate, and it's a term of up to 30 years. So that's quite good. If it's a case where you think you need the money to keep your business afloat, to pay your employees, I would definitely encourage you to take advantage of that program because that will expire I believe, in either August or September. Maybe in another video when I'll do a lot more detailed look at the different types of SBA programs that are out there. But just to cover this, short video, I'm going to recap on certain things. July 15th is the tax deadline. Okay. We are not sure if that's going to be extended, so we're asking everyone to prepare as if July 15th is the deadline. Now, you can take advantage of an extension, just like you would have been able to um, during the regular April 15th deadline. But again, if you do intend to extend, then make sure you do that on time. All right. This tax season's a little crazy, so we just want to make sure that we've got everyone covered. Again, the Paycheck Protection Program, the PPP program, which was for self-employed and independent contractors, was supposed to expire on June the 30th, but that has been extended till August the 8th, so you can still take advantage of that. Remember that you will need to provide documentation showing that you have been an independent contractor or are a business as well. Okay. Um, Again, the EIDL program. That's the program run by the SBA, which is the Economic Disaster Recovery Program. Also, that program as well is slated to run through August or September. I'll clarify that, but it's still open. And I explained already that the program is supposed to help businesses who need some kind of relief. An interesting portion of that program is that it does give an advance grant, which is forgivable, $1,000 per employee. And that's a forgivable. Now, just remember that the advance, it is an advance on a loan. However, the caveat is this: even if you do not qualify for the loan, you could still get the advance. Okay, so there's some things there that are a little bit muddled, but in my opinion, I think that the government's trying to do the best that they can to help out small businesses, and that is a good thing. So once again, it's Michael Abbey with Enterprise Tax, and you can reach us, me, Michael Abbey at moneytaxrefund.com. Michael Abbey, Michael, ABII, at moneytaxrefund.com. And our website, of course, is www.moneytaxrefund.com. Thank you, and I'm wishing you a wonderful and productive week. Bye.